In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Notion databases. If your task list feels cluttered, this simple filter will let you focus on what's still in progress while keeping everything else safely stored for reference. First, open your Notion workspace and head straight to the database where your tasks live. This is typically a table-style database, but the same idea works in other views like boards and lists. Make sure you are looking at the view where you want active tasks to show. The filter you are about to apply will affect only this view, not the entire database. Next, look to the top right of your table for the filter button. It might literally say filter, or you might see a small funnel icon. Click it to open the filter panel. This is where you can tell Notion which items should be shown and which should be hidden in this view. Now, choose the property that tracks your task state. In most setups, that property is called status. If you've named it something like state or progress, select that property instead. The key is to target the field that marks a task as done or complete. With the property selected, set your filter condition so that status is not done. If you see a list of status options, simply uncheck done or complete, so those statuses won't appear. Notion will immediately update the table, hiding any tasks that are finished. You'll notice your list becomes leaner right away, with only active or upcoming items in view. A quick note on what's happening. This filter doesn't delete anything. Your completed tasks are still in the database. They're just out of sight in this particular view. If you ever want to review or report on what you finished, you can clear or toggle off the filter and everything will reappear. This makes it perfect for weekly reviews, work distraction-free during the week. Then quickly bring completed items back into view when you need them. If your team uses several completion terms, like done, shipped, or completed, make sure only your active statuses remain checked in the filter. The goal is to exclude whatever labels mean a task is finished, so your list reflects just the work that still needs attention. That's it. Open your database, click Filter, select Status, and set it so status is not done or simply uncheck done or complete in the options. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused task view without losing any of your history. Thanks for watching.